So let's go at 7 over 35. What time it is? 4:46, sir. Aren't you tired of all those inequalities? I know you are. But let me tell you something. You can do anything about it. Cause the test is Monday. But frankly, I'm not gonna lie, I'm tired of it. But YouTube be taking forever because I be posting those videos on YouTube. Cause I plan on sharing it on the algebra chart at BC. So I'll be like posting the videos each time that I actually do them so that I don't have to do it later because that would be like the last thing I'll be thinking about. But yeah, but YouTube be taking like forever to just post those damn videos and I do have a good Wi-Fi and everything. I don't know. But hopefully they're gonna post the last one, how's I'm doing that one. But let's get into the inequality. Same thing. Things got 80 has us to graph it. I'm not gonna try to graph it right now. Of course I will. I'm tripping. So we have the inequality, right, which is 6 plus 4x less than or equal to -2. So we have solved the inequality and simplify your answer, which is easy peasy. So let's get into it. So you're gonna write the inequality because the way that they did the first time was not good. I'm tripping. So we have it, which is 6 plus 4x less than or equal to -2. The reason why I write it again is just because I wanted to be very much more comfortable with it. That's like a thing that I do each time that I have a problem to solve, so I just write it myself. I don't know. It frankly didn't change anything because it's not like because I write it I have the solution. I still don't, so I'll still have to do it. But yeah, I just do it myself. So I don't know if y'all like that too. But yeah, let's get into it. So we only have one x, so we're gonna leave it the way the not the way that it is, but where it is, and we're gonna switch the numbers to the other side, because we have to group the terms that look like 4x -2. But by switching 6, the sign will change to -2 because it went to from positive to the left side. So once we'll go to the other side, which is the left side, so we'll have to switch this thing to +6. -6, my bad. I said +6, so it'll be -6 because it was positive before, so it's gonna be -6. So right now you have 4x less than or equal to -8. So right now you'll have to get the x by itself, and to do so you need to get a number that will cancel out the 4x, and this number is 4 because we need to have the same thing on the top, same thing at the bottom, and then cancel out. So I'm gonna get 4 and 4, and once we cancel out everything, so it's gonna be x. We'll keep the sign because we use a positive number, which is 4. If it was negative, so we'll have to flip or switch the sign. So we don't have to do that here because we kept the sign because it was a positive number, so we kept the sign. Negative of positive will be negative, of course, and 8 divided by 4 will be 2. There you have it, the solution, which is x less than or equal to -2. If they ask you to graph it, same thing, number line, 0. You put negative infinity, positive infinity so that you know where you're at on the line. You go and you put the negative infinity on the left, obviously. Any numbers that verify the inequality that you have right now, simple inequality. So it will be the numbers on the left because the numbers on the right won't be able to verify the inequality. For example, 10 is greater than and not equal to -2, so 10 therefore can verify the inequality that we have. So the number that will actually verify the inequality is the numbers from the negative sides. So take the 10 out. For example, if we do have like -30 will verify the inequality that we have because -30 is less than -2. So it's gonna be more than each that we're gonna say. Okay, so the negative numbers tend to be a value more or be like more than as they're going toward the 0 because after the 0 is gonna be positive. So that's why -30 is less -2. So So those numbers are the numbers that will actually verify the inequality. Therefore, the inequality will go towards positive infinity, negative infinity, which is in the left. Like the 2 is included because we have the equal sign, so we'll use the brackets. So it will be bracket open on negative infinity. So that's gonna be a solution. So there you have it. Simple inequality. They asked you to solve it. They didn't ask you for the graph, but I just did it so that you guys get comfortable with it as I'm doing it. So that's pretty much like all about it. That's 7/35. We're gonna do 8 right now. See y'all coming.